how to redeem Google Play gift card on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and now in the search bar, search for play.google.com/redeem. Now, you will be required to sign in with your Google account, so go ahead and sign in with your Google account. And now, in the interface that you will be led to, you will be asked to enter the gift card code. So go ahead and enter the gift card code in the text box you see there and then tap on the redeem option. And with this, your balance will be added to your Google Play account if the code that you entered is correct. So this is how you can redeem Google Play gift card on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.